Nowadays, most household sponges are made from synthetic materials such as plastic and polyurethane foam. Although they are cheap and widely used, these sponges can seriously harm the environment. Regular sponges are non-biodegradable, which means they do not decompose naturally and can remain in landfills for many years. When thrown away, they contribute to plastic waste and pollution. In addition, tiny particles from synthetic sponges, known as microplastics, may enter rivers and oceans during washing, affecting marine life and ecosystems. Since people frequently replace kitchen sponges due to dirt and bacteria buildup, millions of synthetic sponges are discarded every year, increasing environmental problems. Because of these issues, eco-friendly alternatives are becoming more important. One sustainable solution is a soap sponge made from coconut husk. Coconut husk, also known as coir, is a natural fiber obtained from coconut shells. It is biodegradable, renewable, and easily available, especially in tropical countries. Instead of being thrown away as agricultural waste, coconut husk can be reused to produce useful cleaning products.
Compared to ordinary synthetic sponges, coconut husk sponges are more environmental friendly because they decompose naturally after disposal and do not release harmful microplastics into the environment. They are also durable, reusable, and effective in removing dirt due to their rough fiber texture. When combined with soap, the sponge becomes a practical and sustainable cleaning tool for households. Therefore, coconut husk soap sponges can be a great replacement for conventional sponges. By using natural materials instead of plastic-based products, people can help reduce pollution, minimize waste, and support a greener and more sustainable lifestyle.
Step number 1 is preparing the husk. Collect fresh coconut husk and carefully remove any remaining coconut flesh, dust, or any unwanted debris attached to the husk. Choosing clean and good quality husk is important because it helps to produce stronger and more durable fibers for the scrubber. Step number 2 is cleaning the husk. Soak the coconut husk in a container filled with water for about 24 to 48 hours. This soaking process softens the husk, loosens dirt trapped inside the fibers, and makes the fibers easier to separate during the next steps. Step number 3 is rinse thoroughly. After soaking, rinse the husk thoroughly under clean running water until the water becomes clear. This step helps to remove any remaining dirt, dust, or any impurities to ensure the fibers are clean and hygienic for household uses. Step number 4 is dry the husk. Place the clean husk under direct sunlight and allow it to dry completely for around 1 or 2 days. Proper drying is very important because it helps to remove any excess moisture, prevents mold growth, and makes the fibers stronger and more durable. Step number 5 is separate the fibers. Once the husk is fully dry, gently pull apart and separate the natural coconut fibers by hand. Remove any coarse, hard, or damaged parts so that only flexible and softer fibers are used to make the scrubber.
For step number 6, cut the fibers. Trim the coconut fibers into shorter and even lengths, usually around 5 to 7 cm. Cutting the fibers evenly helps create a neater scrubber shape and makes it easier to bundle the fibers together later. For step number 7, bundle the fibers. Gather the cut fibers together and tie them tightly using natural twine or string. Make sure the bundle is compact and secure so the scrubber will not fall apart easily during use. Next, for step number 8, shape the scrubber. Shape the bundled fibers into a round or oval form that fits comfortably in the hand. Press and adjust the fibers evenly to create a sturdy scrubber that can effectively clean dishes and kitchen utensils. After that, we can rinse and dry again. Rinse the completed scrubber once more to remove any loose fibers or remaining particles. After rinsing, place it under the sun again until it is completely dry and ready for safe use. And lastly, it is ready to use. The coconut fiber dish scrubber or even sponge is now ready to be used as a natural and eco-friendly alternative to synthetic sponges. It is biodegradable, reusable, durable, and helps reduce plastic waste, making it a safer choice for both households and the environment.
Coconut fiber scrubbers are very effective because their rough texture help remove grease and food stains naturally. They are durable, reusable, and suitable for everyday cleaning tasks.
They can organize awareness campaign, recycling programs, and environmental projects to educate people about the importance of reducing plastic waste and using sustainable products.
In conclusion, transforming coconut husk into an eco-friendly sponge is not just a creative innovation, but also a meaningful step towards a more sustainable future. Coconut husks are more often treated as a waste and thrown away without realizing their potential to be turned into something useful and valuable. By converting them into a biodegradable sponges, we are able to reduce agriculture waste while also decreasing the use of synthetic and plastic-based household products that contributes heavily to environmental pollution. This innovation benefits the environment in many ways. Unlike ordinary sponges that take a very long time to decompose, coconut husk sponges are made from natural materials that can break down safely without harming the ecosystem. This helps reduce the amount of non-biodegradable waste in landfills and oceans, which is important in protecting wildlife and preserving nature for the future generations. At the same time, it encourages people to become more aware of the importance of making environmentally friendly choices in their everyday lives. Besides helping the environment, coconut husk sponges can also bring positive impact to society. The production of eco-friendly products can create opportunities for local communities and inspire more people to develop sustainable alternatives using natural resources. It also proves that innovation does not always require expensive materials or advanced technology. Sometimes, simple ideas using natural ways can create meaningful change. Most importantly, this project reminds us that small actions can lead to a big difference. By turning waste into something beneficial, we are not only reducing pollutions, but also promoting a culture of sustainability, creativity, and responsibility. Innovations like this inspire future generations to continue finding solutions that can protect the earth and improve the quality of life for everyone. A cleaner and greener future begins with the choices we make today, and every small step towards sustainability truly matters.